Good morning, students, and welcome to Wednesday, April 29th. We would like to welcome aunts, uncles, brothers, sisters, children, students, mothers, fathers, whoever's watching this announcement regarding e-learning for Wednesday, April 29th. Catastrophic students, we are in fracking week. If you recall Monday, we did an introduction to fracking where we watched two videos highlighting what fracking is and why it's a potential environmental concern. Yesterday, we began a 4-day viewing of the documentary Gaslands, which is the definitive documentary on the subject of fracking in the United States. Hopefully yesterday you started into the video. You have 4 days to watch the video, which means that you'll need to be watching about 25 to 27 minutes each day in order to finish by Friday of this week. Please take notes as you watch it. Now, it's not required that you stop at 27 minutes or 26 minutes or 25 minutes. If you have more time today than maybe you do tomorrow or Friday, or you want to finish up early, you are certainly permitted to continue watching with that whatever time frame you have. Likewise, if you're busy in other classes and you want to watch more tomorrow than say today, that's certainly allowed too, but just be sure you're taking some highlight notes over what you're watching so that it's obvious that you watch the video when you submit those notes to me. Please submit those by Friday. If for some reason you don't get finished by Friday, it wouldn't be illegal to continue watching into the weekend and submitting them hopefully by Saturday or Sunday if you need that extra time. Be sure you're sending it to my correct email, steve.hippemeyer@ketteringschools.org, not Steven.hippemeyer, it's Steve. And please be sure you're sending it to ketteringschools.org and not the kcsstudents.org, because that would go to a student, not to me. I hope you're enjoying the video, and I look forward to checking out your notes on it. Have a great day.